makeup, 2 hours, hair and makeup. Well, very important to start with skin prep kasi pag maganda, syempre yung base, di ba? Mas maganda yung makeup, mas maganda yung kalalabasan ng makeup. So yun, skin prep and then base, ganyan. Tapos yung mga definitions, yung mga konting kulay, ganyan. Tapos false eyelashes, very important. Nakakagising, nakakabuhay ng mata, ganyan. Blush, mahilig ako sa blush. And gusto ko nagmamatch yung kulay ng blush sa lips. Para sa akin, ang kagandahan ay nanggagaling sa loob. So, kung mabuti kang tao, kung maganda yung intensyon mo, maganda rin yung magiging aura mo towards other people. Do not forget that you are already beautiful and that you just have to be confident and you just have to love yourself and love the people around you.